Good day, welcome to Revit tutorial from Multinet Design. In this tutorial, we are going to create a document for the project we have been doing one after the other. So the first thing to do is to go to Sheets. So I have one cover page already, which is here. So this one, chair promote architectural design, propose essential development. So you can decide to edit them one after the other by editing all this, changing the line and the letters, and arrange them the way you want, the way you normally do. So that's one. The second one is that you can bring in a sheet here, click on the sheet, right click and say create new. And in creating, you have many options. So one of the options I'm going to use here is this DA3 matrix. Say OK. So here is how this is unfold. So here is Multinet, a template that have already been designed for my own use. So you can here and rename it to whatsoever you want it to be named. If you change the name here, it's going to be changed from the project browser title here. So that's how it works. So how do you bring plans into this? You just click on the level anywhere you want to click on it from the project browser and right click and drag it inside and click, being brought inside. So you can edit it from here by just clicking on this page, click on it 2 times. So I click on it twice, then the way you arrange it there is the same way you're going to do here too. So expand and say okay, remove the crop region. So that's how you put it here. So if you are okay with this scale, that's fine. When you want to exceed the level mode, you click outside twice, you right click twice, left click twice, and that is how you bring all these things up here. So if you scale it, something will happen. Is that this section removed? So that's how it works here. So if you want to do anything, make sure that you have already scaled permanently before you start putting this section. If you check section here now, you see that the section will not be disappear. So let us work on that and see. So click on it. That's okay. I'm going to scale and say scale 1 to 50. It's bigger. Okay, the section is still up here. But if you reduce it, I don't think the section is going to be there again. If you reduce it to something smaller. Okay, it's still there. Anyway, you leave it in that manner. Okay, if it's smaller, it's okay. Now if it's smaller, it disappears. If it's bigger, it retains it. So that's how it works. So we go back to normal and you find the section line retaining its position. So here you are seeing another line, because if you want to print now, this line is going to be a barrier. It's not going to make your drawing be okay. So what you need to do is to click on it and say on the view save without title, with no title. So that will disappear this, and if you say click seem to fit, and you get it scale up at the normal interval. So that is how you do from here. So if you want to add more, and this is the ground level, this one has nothing, so delete this. So rename this one. You can rename it from here or rename it from the code. Click on rename. Name this one to 1. Yeah, say ground floor. Okay, you see that it will alternate itself, so it's changed already. The positive shows that there is project within that sheet. So you click on next one and say new. So you use this diametrics. So you bring roof plan as well into this space at the scale of 1 to 100. So the same way, you click on no title. So you can just click on it twice on this space and hide the elements. Okay, click outside. So that is it. So you click more, name, click this, open. So you bring site plan as well that you have done, bring it here. So this site plan, you can decide to rotate it like what we have done in the open section. So you click on it twice, then on your crop, so select this part, so click on rotate, make sure that you toggle off the copy, then you rotate it to angle 90 degree. Good. So it will be rotated. So here you change the scale to something smaller. You can customize or use 200. So it's smaller. So you drag it and position it. In the viewpoint as well, you change it to no title. So this crop region, you rearrange it. So anytime you want to change, if you change the scale, you see that the letters are changed too. But the best thing to do is that when you want to edit it, you click on it and you duplicate it. Go to edit type, duplicate it first, because if you do it here, it's going to affect every other one. Just say section on scale. So now you edit this aspect by clicking sites and say okay, let's say I'm using 4, let me use half of it. So you now put everything on the aspects. And change it to what you just created. Where is it? Okay. You can do the same thing from here to duplicate it. Because if you decide to say you continue that man, it's going to affect everywhere you have used that letter. So as you do it, you reduce it. So that is it. So you do this in this area. So toggle the save simple fit. So that's what you did. So you rename it. You can rename it from here. Say site plan. Good. So you create another one. And this time around, bring one of the elevations. Let's bring south elevation. Oh, sorry. We brought the scale that are not now. Another trick is that if you bring the what is it called, the sheets, the title sheets that are not relevant, you can click on it and come here and change it directly without bother yourself by going to that and create another one. So that's the beauty of this aspect too. So you click on this and drag your elevations into space. So as you've done that, since you are using the normal scale, it's going to be recognized. So click on no scale, no title. So here you can use annotate to bring the detail line as a normal reference ground. So you do this and click on it and say graphic override by elements, change the size this size. So the width, let it be, let's have like 8. So you see this thickness. So this one being more sanity to join. So you do the same thing for everything. So what we want to do now is that we want to print out and see how far. So in the next topic, we are going to teach how to do the printing out of the document by setting it into PDF, and you set your paper to scale that you will be able to print according to normal standard. So thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel and like, same time comment.